Hello everyone, DJ Aaron here. I am just making an update video on the progress of the stream. We have been going for 4 hours now and with very little to no issues at all. So you guys are probably wondering, why am I broadcasting with the laptop and not the desktop? Well, like I mentioned in the previous video that I haven't uploaded yet, which I'm too lazy to do, it all comes down to, I think this computer is going to be retired from broadcasting, so I just want to, get things out of the way. For the most part, this laptop does fairly decent on just broadcasting, streaming, and what have you. And I'm actually running Virtual DJ. Look how much CPU I've been getting. I mean, it's still quite a bit to play around with when you think about it. And I'm also streaming to the old audio only as well, which is right there. We're on air. So that's cool. So with the magic of video editing, I will be right back, and I will show you guys more of what is going on with the stream as well. So, be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm playing some Survivor, Eye of the Tiger. Turn that down a little bit so I don't get hit by the copyright mafia, because I have the monitor speaker right towards me. So we are in the process of winding down the show. It is, I believe, 10:24. So we'll be winding down the show here very soon. I have to say, it has been a phenomenal show tonight. Not only stream-wise, but turnout-wise, man. It was, it was great. And you guys, deserve a good show. So, anyways, this is kind of an update on how things are going. I officially retired this HP. I will show you guys in the next clip what I did to it. And, yeah, you guys will kind of like this. I'm going to combine, like, an update in one kind of thing. Again, with the magic of video editing, we should be back after the show ends. See you then, guys. Alright, I am back, and it is after the show. Everything is all torn down and stuff like that. And what did I do with this computer, you guys might add? Well, I have pretty much loaded a particular operating system on it. Now you guys might think, oh, did you load Windows on it? Well, not exactly. And I will show you guys here in just a second. I'm just going to let it boot up and load. So we're just waiting. Okay. You guys kind of got a hint of what I put on here. And it has to do with a certain Linux distro. Okay, so I need to log in. Second. So I had to log in. Alright. I just didn't want to show you guys what I was logging into. Alright. It has to do with a certain Linux distro. And yeah, I kind of loaded a Linux distro on the computer And now the dock showed up on that monitor. What the heck? So we have a Linux distribution called Perl Linux, and my mouse doesn't have much slack because the IDJ3 is on that. So we have a distribution called Perl Linux, and we have a dock, we have a web browser, and we can now run Wi-Fi just fine on this machine. The one thing I haven't, I want to restore tab. It was just Facebook anyways. So the one thing I haven't done is, let's see here. Alright, so the one thing I haven't done yet is loaded Skype on this thing. Now I tried that earlier today and it failed. So I'm going to try again now. Alright, so I'm going to try and do that now. Alright, so we're going to get Skype for... You know what? Let's download Skype. Alright. We're going to do Ubuntu, and it's going to ask me if I want to do that. I did. We're going to try and launch it in the Ubuntu Software Center. Now I tried this earlier today. It didn't want to work. So we're going to try it again. And hopefully it will work. So let's try this again. Okay. Install. Let's see if it will install. It needs authentication. So we're going to do that. And we'll see what happens here. It's probably going to pop up an error like it always does. Let's see what happens. Yep. Failed to download package files. So what I'm going to do is, instead of installing it, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to, I saw Skype for Web back there. Launch Skype for Web. Alright, so I'm going to sign into my account. Be right back. Okay, I'm signing into Skype using Skype for Web. It's going to load. Now, I might not be able to do calls, but I will be able to IM and message, because I do not have allow. Okay, so I do not have use of a webcam. So I don't have use of a webcam, so I won't be able to call anyone. So So I'm using Skype for Web on Linux because the package fails to download. So I had to do that. So yeah, this is Perl OS, and I'm using Skype for Web, or Skype for Web on the Linux distribution. It's kind of neat. So anyways, this is Perl Linux, and yeah, this is going to be the distribution for my knockaround computer for a while. So anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Peace out, guys, and practice and enjoy.